Hi everyone, I'm Joel Camargo, part of the Trudy Trees training team. Today I'm taking you guys through another training video for our purchase module. I'll be showing you guys how to add and edit a purchase order without a purchase request. All right, so we'll be creating a purchase order from scratch. Let's head on into our software. All right, so here we are, pretty straightforward. We'll be accessing purchase orders just like previous videos through updates, and then you go into orders, click purchase orders, which once again brings you to this page. With the current purchase orders, regardless if they're pending, approved, awaiting approval, and so on, we're gonna click on include. Now, we've already created one of these purchase orders, however, it was with a purchase request. This time we're making one from scratch. We'll be inputting all of this information that we need, the supplier, who is supplying this to us. If you click this little icon, it will open up the window of all the suppliers that we have in our system, right? So these are suppliers that we have already input using the skills that I showed you previously on our how to add suppliers video, all right? So same thing with the payment term, that's the payment condition. We're gonna create a contact, delivery branch, and class. So we input all of these informations from what we already have in our system. We're tying every loose end together into our purchase order, all right? So now it comes to the good part. We add the item. Last time I showed you guys how to add that using the purchase request. This time we'll just be clicking here to select what product it is that you're making a request for or an order for. We'll select the quantity. You also add the unit price, and then it shows you the total value. You can also see the total value of your order, your purchase order at the bottom, along with the vendor information, the freight expense, so on. We're going to input all of these to optimize our purchase order. We're going to fill out as best of our knowledge. So how much does the freight value cost? We're going to just add $100. All right. But here in this bottom part is where you can see all of the total cost of your order. As you can see, it adds up the freight, it adds up discounts, it adds up taxes. Every single one of these fields and tabs that you play around with will create more information, and it will all interact with each other automatically to update your total order value. All right, so we can save that, and that purchase order has been made. Close out of this, but our purchase order has been made. It is right there, the first one, as you can see. We're going to change it and make an edit to it. So you just click on change to make an edit. We'll be adding another product, so you click down there to add a product. Once again, we select another one from the ones we already have in our system. We're just gonna change the quantity and the unit price. And as you can see, it is updating the total value of our order down there. All right, but pretty straightforward. That is how you guys create purchase orders without any previous purchase requests. All right, thank you guys for watching.